I just don't know if being on YouTube is worth it.
Explain.
Well, I've been monetized for a full year now on YouTube, and I'd like to tell you how much I made just because you're my therapist and I can confide in you.
Well, of course, it's not like you're turning this session into one of your YouTube videos.
But I also have to compare that to the time I put in the channel.
Breaking it down into how much you make per hour.
Yes.
And of course, there's how much money you've spent on your channel.
Are you trying to make me depressed?
Oh, not any more than you already are. There's only so much I can up your meds. You have a fear of the unknown. You have numbers just swarming in your head. So let's do the math. You're earning, your time, your expenses. And maybe this result will sink you deeper into depression, into the deepest pit of despair that no amount of medication or cognitive behavior therapy could ever extract you from. But I'll find it exhilarating.
Okay.
So what specific period are we examining?
I started posting regularly on YouTube in July 2020, and I became eligible for monetization in July 2021. I got my first paycheck from YouTube in August 2021, so we should look at my first full year of being monetized from August 2021 through July of this year.
Excellent. Let's start with your expenses.
It looks like I've spent $3,500 on my YouTube channel this past year.
But dear Lord, what did you spend that on?
Well, I have subscriptions to Epidemic Sound for sound effects and music, and Canva for video overlays, and Storyblocks for stock footage, things like that. And I've also invested in YouTube classes so I can get better at making videos.
Your videos got better?
I think they did.
Delusions of grandeur. Oh, let's move on. Now let's look at your time cost, because time is money. How much time do you spend making your videos?
I'm getting pickier and pickier about how I produce my videos, especially the editing piece of it. So it takes more time now to make a video than it did like a year ago. I'd say over the past year on average, about 20 hours per video.
And how many videos did you make last year?
34.
34 times 20, that's 680 hours.
And we still have to add my YouTube classes.
The ones that make your videos better?
Yes. Let's add another 20 hours.
700 hours total? I can't even imagine what your hourly rate's gonna look like. Very well. I understand that you can make money in different ways on YouTube, correct?
Yes, there are lots of different income sources for YouTubers, like there's Google AdSense.
Google AdSense?
Well, you know how YouTube puts ads before videos, in the middle of videos, they actually put ads everywhere?
Oh, yes.
Well, obviously YouTube gets paid by advertisers to place these ads. And once your channel has 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 watch hours, you're eligible to get 55% of what advertisers pay YouTube, and you get paid through Google AdSense.
Oh.
And there are other income sources. There's your business, in other words, people who hire you after finding you on YouTube. There's also affiliate marketing and brand sponsorships and Patreon and merch and more.
You're doing all of that?
Right now I'm just doing the first two. At some point I'm sure I'm gonna do more, but right now I'm just super focused on just trying to make better videos and just building my community.
Bravo, I applaud your priorities. Some things are more important than the immediate gratification of abundant cash.
Where did you get all that cash?
Let's just start with what you've made from your business.
Yes, and obviously there's plenty of business I get outside of YouTube, but for these calculations, I just want to look at how much business I got from YouTube.
The people who find you on YouTube.
Yes, and people that I've known for a while, but once I start making YouTube videos, they reach out to me and they say they want to work with me after seeing what I'm doing.
Oh, fair enough.
And according to my calculations, that's $15,200 over the past year.
Well, very well. And how much have you made with, what is it called? Google AdSense?
No, Google AdSense.
Google AdSense.
Now, YouTube is constantly changing how much they charge advertisers to place ads on my videos, and depends on the time of year, it depends on the video, it depends on a million different things. But over the 1 year period, I've averaged $12.39 for every 1,000 views, and that's called the RPM, or revenue per mil. That's my cut of the ad revenue.
Like revenue per 1,000.
Well, exactly, and the RPM is completely different across different niches. So channels that teach people how to make money online and channels like mine that teach people social media tend to have higher RPMs than gaming channels or music channels.
Does your Google AdSense revenue have anything to do with your number of subscribers? I see you're close to 5,000.
Yeah, the number of subscribers doesn't directly impact my earnings, although the more subscribers I have, the more views I'll probably have, and that affects my paycheck. So it's more of an indirect thing.
Well, how much did you make in Google AdSense this past year? Because I want to add that to your business earnings and do all the calculations to figure out how much money you make per hour. You know that your therapy sessions have to be fulfilling for me too.
Yeah, you've made that abundantly clear throughout the years. The AdSense portion of my income was $2,493 this past year.
Well, this is exhilarating. Let's take the $24.93 from Google AdSense and add the $15,200 from your business, and you get $17,693. Let's now subtract out the expenses and divide that by all those hours that you spent, and you get $20.27 per hour. Ooh, that's not good considering how much I bill you.
I think I'm actually happy with this.
You're happy?
I mean, it's not great, but it's more than I thought it was, and it's only going to get better. And making YouTube videos is exhausting, but it's a creative outlet for me, so I'm getting paid more than I thought to do something that I love.
But you still have mental health issues due to YouTube, correct?
Yes, I'm working through some stuff, and you can see it right up here in the video in the top right corner. And guys, I really appreciate you watching. Thank you so much for supporting my channel, and see you in the next video.